Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Ruksha Sheikh. I am the teacher of Al Badr Public High School. I am here to speak about the Fehmi Quran session. It was a 4-day training which was held in Al Badr Public High School, conducted by Sir Ishaq Saab and held by Sir Manzoor Al Fahmi Saab. And the basic motive of this training was to teach Tarjamatul Quran, and the other motive was to teach English grammar in an easy and best way without punishment, giving punishment in the class. I think if we talk about our educational and qualification, we put great efforts to achieve great goals and are remarkable efforts. But if we talk about the religious ways, we don't put on the such efforts. If I talk about before, I was not much aware of the tarjuma and the translation and the correct way to recite the Quran, and now I think we should put on efforts for such kind of the stuff. And this training was very tremendous, useful for us. Sir Manzoor Al Fahmi Saab taught about the great and advanced methods for teaching without punishment and learning and teaching the lesson in the classroom to the students. I think this kind of training should be held in the other schools, and this was very helpful for us. I am very thankful to Sir Ishaq Saab and Fehmi Saab to help such great kind of the session, and I think I will try my best to implement all these strategies and advancements in my classroom.